what do you make of today's session? Is it all about geopolitics here, or are there other factors weighing on the markets?
I think it's largely geopolitics. I mean, if I look back the last couple months, we went from a big change in perception about rates to kind of a classic growth scare, and now we're layering on some geopolitical risk. But I focus on corporate earnings, and I still think the base case's earnings will be higher this year than last year and higher in 23 than 22. So when the market sells off, I get increasingly constructive about the risk reward for U.S. equities.
Shannon, what about, though, some of these technical levels? I mean, we took out the intraday January 24th low on the NASDAQ and flirting with it right now on the S&P. Is that significant?
Well, I think if you're a technical trader, it's certainly significant, and I think that we're seeing some piling on. I am a bit concerned that, you know, we're looking at a lot of redemptions coming out of stocks. We're seeing redemptions coming out of bond funds, money market funds, and you're sitting here thinking, well, is that because there's really no place to hide over the last several weeks? And I think that that's lending itself to some of this market fatigue. You know, when we're in a more traditional cycle, at least you have the fixed income market to potentially insulate your portfolio. And because we're seeing weakness across the asset classes, I think that you're looking to those second derivatives like technical levels and saying, see, there's no, you know, there's really no no positive news here anywhere. And I think that's what we're facing over the last couple of days is that, you know, and we're seeing the intraday volatility as a result. People are looking for reasons to buy because the fundamentals are supportive of that. But then, you know, you layer on all of these different factors, and then it just doesn't feel like you're getting the support from a buyer sentiment perspective that you'd like to see to be able to make a meaningful move back into these stocks.